This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, July 14th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a big trough digging in across the Great Lakes and Upper Midwest. You can see some energy along with it. That could bring us some isolated afternoon showers, especially in the heat of the day. Otherwise, we will see some partly to mostly sunny skies before then. Highs will be very atypical for the early to middle part of July, with readings in the upper 60s to mid to upper 70s from north to south. Then that system moves off to the east. Skies will be mainly sunny with a few afternoon clouds given the cold air aloft. Highs will be on Tuesday in the 60s to lower 70s after morning lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That'll also be the case here Wednesday morning. Highs Wednesday will be in the upper 60s to mid 70s across the state. Afternoon clouds with morning sunshine around. You can see a storm off to our west that'll dive south across Kansas, Oklahoma, into Arkansas and Missouri. GFS is being a little overabundant with possible showers around on Thursday. It'll be more afternoon clouds than anything with highs in the 70s. And then as we move into Friday, there's that storm moving through the Delta region, the Mid-South, around Memphis, down to Greenville, Greenwood, Mississippi, and then down into Louisiana. Around here, it'll still be sunny with afternoon clouds, highs in the 70s. And then we have a storm system that you can see off to our north and west over the Dakotas and Montana. That'll be dropping north from the northwest toward the southeast. Saturday, it'll be warmer, sunny. The humidity starts to increase, highs 70s to lower 80s. Then the system begins to move in. Showers and thunderstorms possible by late Saturday night into the day on Sunday. It doesn't look to be an all-day rain, but if it is, temperatures could be lowered into the 70s. Otherwise, we could see sunshine around with highs maybe in the 80s and then storms. But then by next Monday, there's this 594 ridge over Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Colorado. We're kind of on the periphery of this ridge as it's trying to nose in. Still could see some isolated showers or storms around here by next week, Monday. Otherwise, sunshine around, highs in the 80s or so if this is to be correct. Better chances across the southeast with afternoon convection. Going into the extended period, July the 25th, there's that ridge still, the 594 ridge extending from Louisiana, Arkansas, northwestward to about Salt Lake City and Cheyenne, Wyoming. Still a northwesterly flow around here, keeping the temperatures from really going crazy, but it's also going to keep us in the pattern of the storms lifting over the ridge and then southeastward, so we could see some showers and storms with another disturbance moving through at that time through the upper Midwest and Great Lakes states. And you can see this pattern even continues on to the end of the forecast on July 29th. Big trough over the northeast, big ridge over the south, another trough over the northwest, still the northwesterly flow around here, keeping temperatures near seasonal levels, and any disturbance that rides around the ridge will dive into the state with showers and storms. We'll see if this continues. If the ridge moves in, it'll be warmer. If the trough gets closer, we could be cooler. Satellite image from last evening, you see this big pinwheeling low-pressure center around International Falls, Minnesota. This will be moving southeast, producing some afternoon clouds and showers around here. You can see the frontal system bringing some showers and storms to our southeast and the monsoonal flow in the southwest. Flash flood watch over northeastern New Mexico. This was from last evening. Some red flag warnings and a lot of drought in the north and west. Lots of forest fires out there. As the rest of the nation is fairly quiet at this point. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing very little rain around here. Heaviest along the Red River Valley, around 4 to 5 inches possible around Wichita Falls through near Dallas, and they really need the rain down there and also across the East Coast.